Holy shit. Jowo, my baby Jowo, my baby Jowo, 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 my baby Jowo, my baby Jowo, Jowo. Now, this song is very simple. I use only 4 chords. The title of this video is how to play Jowo by Davido using open chords on your guitar. Okay, very 4 simple chords. Let me show you the chords right away. First chord is called A minor. Now the first finger goes on the first fret, 2nd string. Second finger goes on the 2nd fret, 4th string. Third finger, ring finger goes on the 2nd fret, 3rd string. One chord gone just like that. Now the 2nd chord, the F chord, okay? First finger goes on the 1st and 2nd string on the 1st fret. 2nd finger goes here, middle finger on the 2nd fret, 3rd string. While this index ring finger goes on the 3rd fret, 4th string. Now, 2 chords gone like that. The 3rd chord, very simple chord, the C chord, C major, okay? First finger goes on the 1st fret, 2nd string. Middle finger goes on the 2nd fret, 4th string. The ring finger goes on the 3rd fret, 5th string. Very simple. Now the last chord of this song. This ring finger goes on the 3rd fret, 6th string. The middle finger goes on the 2nd fret, 5th string. While this pinky goes on the 3rd fret, 4th string. See, very simple 4 chords. Now just look at what the chords say. Jowo, my baby Jowo, my baby Jowo, Jowo. Might be wondering what's that thing going bang, 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 going back. Yeah, I'm taking the chords back. I'm strumming down. Jowo, then I strum back. My baby Jowo, I strum back. My baby Jowo, I strum back. Jowo. Again. Jowo, my baby Jowo. Okay, so just like the way I strum down, I strum back up, strum down, strum back up. Okay, so now let's go into the song proper. Jojo, my baby Jojo, my baby Jojo, Jowo, Jojo, my baby Jojo, my baby Jojo, Jowo. Now, this other part of the song, okay? Don't mind my voice here, right? Now let's see how it goes. Jojo, my baby Jojo, my baby Jojo, Jowo. One time, because I'm for the person with you. I don't want to try those things, I don't know me well. I know it's time for you, but I like I say I do too. So let the man down for you. Many man they come to wine. I don't really mind they just the wine. Many girls they come to wine. But you know the man Many man they come to wine. I don't really mind they just the wine. Many girls they come to wine. Baby don't go mind they just the wine. Many man they try to wine. I don't really mind they just the wine. Many girls they try to wine. Baby don't go mind they just the wine. One more time. Many man they try to wine. I don't really mind they just the wine. Many girls they try to wine. Baby don't go mind they just the wine. Now to the chorus of the song. So let me say, Jowo, look into my eyes, oh baby Jowo, will you be my wife, oh baby Jowo, baby, oh yeah, oh Jowo, look into my eyes, oh baby Jowo, will you be my wife, oh baby Jowo, baby. Now you must have been looking at the way I'm just strumming, like what's this guy playing? It's very simple. Many men they try to whine me. I don't really whining. Many girls they try to whine me. Baby no go mind, they just the whining. So it's just like I'm strumming up and down. Let me show you that I'm strumming up and down. Many man they try to whine me. Why did there was down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. You know there are 4 chords, okay? So per 1 chord I'm going to play down, up, down, up, down. The first chord I taught you. Down, down, up, down. That's the first chord. The second chord. Down, down, up, down. Then the third chord. Down, down, down. Then the fourth chord. Down, down, down. You understand? So now let's put the 4 chords together. Down, 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 down. Now let's see everything together now. Many man they try to whine me. I don't really mind they try to whine me. Many girls they try to whine me. I don't go mind they just whine me. So you see, it's very simple. So that's just how the chord goes throughout the song, okay? So there are many other songs with different simple chord progressions like this, okay? So just pick them up and practice them. That way you're going to build up your listening ears, alright? So make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting videos like this. Thank you.